Hey guys, Brian Erdy from Tech Review by Erdy, and today we're going to go ahead and put that power supply in the system. So let's get at this. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Okay, power supply. Now we already know that this power supply is bad because we tried to run it several times after repairing the front panel switches. And it worked fine for about 5 attempts, and then after that we had problems with it trying to retain its post capability, which is power on self-test. So we've already inspected the motherboard. We're going to take another look at it real quick once we get the power supply out. So you can see behind here. So, pull the shroud here. SATA, we've got a flop. 2 drives. This thing's loaded up for 350 watts. So I can get this in easier. Let me take out the fan. Had this swapped out. These are all markers, which usually tells me that a technician or an online seller sold it. Let's go ahead and get the new one in there. Here's the processor. Put that down in there. Alright, and he's got a floppy drive in here, but he uses that for specific purposes for older devices. He still uses. Tuck that up. I'll get 2 more lines here. Nope. That's basically it, guys. Power supply is in, so now I just gotta boot it up. Okay, we're gonna boot it up. And I do apologize for the mess. I've had to work the last couple nights, so I haven't had much time to clean up. I want to thank you for watching this episode of Tech Review by Erdy. Stay tuned for more. We'll have more videos on how-tos for you and some tech reviews as we go forward. Share and like the video. We'll have more for you later. Have a good day.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.